How to create animated neon text effect. Click on New button at the bottom of Project Panel and select Black Video. Drag Black Video into Timeline to create a new sequence from it. Now use Type tool and type a text. Then select the Selection tool. Go to Effect Controls panel and expand the text and set the text properties according to your liking. Then uncheck the Fill property and check Stroke and set width to 3. Check the Shadow property and choose the color of the neon. And set the size to 5 and distance to 50. Now hold down the Alt key and drag the text to above track to create a duplicate from it. Go to Effects panel and search for Gaussian Blur. Drag and drop Gaussian Blur effect into your top track. With your top track selected, go to Effect Controls. Set the blend mode to screen. Now move the playhead at the start and click on Stopwatch next to Blurriness to create a starting keyframe. Move the playhead a little forward and set blurriness to 150 to create the second keyframe. Move the playhead a little forward and set blurriness to 50 to create the third keyframe. Select the last two keyframes and hold down the Alt key and drag them a little forward to create duplicates from them. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.